regular turbos, you're not like blasting off. Sounds sweet. I got you. Hey, boo boo.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good. You see that we got some extra ones. I got some lava lamps over here. I got some new keychains.
The lava lamps are squishy.
Oh yeah. And then I got some cool magnet guys over there and some axolotls. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah. It's like really subtle. You're like, they're fine. But it's like it's not like it's fine. It's like a nice curve to it. Thank you, darling. You're welcome. Thank you for understanding my weird explanations.